Hello and thank you for purchasing the Cool-Off Island Breeze misting fan. Follow these instructions in order to successfully construct your unit. Check that you have all the provided equipment and tools before beginning construction. The provided fasteners are labeled below. Attach the small wheel to the front of the base using Set A fasteners. Feed the bolts through the 4 holes with the spring and flat washer as shown and secure with the nut. Tighten with a 14mm wrench and socket wrench. Rest the base against one of the large rubber wheels and attach the other wheel using the spring washer and nut. Do the same with the other rubber wheel. Tighten with an 18mm socket wrench. Attach the bracket to the base with the blue fittings pointing towards the smaller wheel. Attach using the Set B fasteners. Feed the bolts through the 4 holes with the spring and flat washer as shown and secure with the nut. Tighten with a 10mm wrench and socket wrench. Place the mist plate face down on a soft surface and unscrew the 4 screws and washers. Place the front fan cage on top as shown and tighten the screws. Be sure to position the cage with the slide clip at 12 o'clock and the nylon tubes at 6 o'clock. Secure the racket with the same screws. Place the fan motor on a firm surface and remove the 4 screws as shown. Secure the rear bracket with the same screws. Install the fan blade to the motor spindle, being certain to have the connecting screw pressing hard against the flat cutout on the spindle. Failure to do so may cause the fan to detach during operation. Connect the front and rear fan cages. First, press the slide clip on the front cage at 12 o'clock onto the rear fan cage, also at 12 o'clock. Now snap the 5 clips to fully secure the front and back cages. Thread on the 2 handles as shown. Place the black water vessel on the base, allowing the 4 pads to fall into their base holes. Lean the bracket base fully back and thread on the 4 remaining screws with the large black washers to fully secure the unit. Inside the base, you will find the lift pump and 2 black tubes. Insert the smaller tube into the slip lock fitting on the pump. Press the pump down near the rear hole to secure to the inside of the water tank, and run the tube out of the rear hole to the corresponding blue slip lock fitting on the bracket. Insert the larger tube into the blue slip lock fitting on the bracket. Push through the back hole of the water tank. This is the drainage tube. Run the electrical cord out of the hole and connect to the bracket, being sure to line up the notch on the electrical port. Place the fan motor on the bracket as shown and tighten the brass screw to secure. You can also tighten the large nut to increase tilt resistance. Slide the tubing sheath onto the 3 tubing pieces from the mist plate, and then secure the 3 to the bracket as shown. Then connect the power to the motor. If oscillation is desired, screw the brass arm to the outside of the circular black connector. If no oscillation is wanted, connect the brass screw to the center hole as shown. Fill the tank with water and connect the fan to power. Activate the fan motor by pressing the switch and the mist motor in the same manner. The dial on the side of the bracket allows for more or less mist. The motor has 3 speeds, which can be adjusted by turning the motor dial. For added chilling, add ice to the water tank. Thank you for purchasing the Cool Off Island Breeze misting fan. We hope you enjoy your purchase.